it hurts to say goodbye to all this money right now. This car just did a burnout. He was fucking with the teal. I'm dead. You gonna hit the white line?
Michelin's on it too.
Oh, he gripping. Man, that bitch quick. Taking out the taillights, Typus taillights on this car. Yeah, I'm gonna take these out. Basically, to take them out, you're gonna move all your junk out of your trunk first, and then. Sorry, you guys, it's really hard to record with one hand right now. So there's 9 right here. I think that's a 9. Let me look at the wrench I've been using. It is a 31132, and then it's all these. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4, and then there's 10 mils behind the bumper right here. Just so like that. Basically, how you took it off is how you put it on. So, put these back on here. Just boom. She's in. You plug those lights back in. Like that, she's Gucci. Put all this back. Just like that, you put this piece back in. Just so, like so, right here. There we go. Just like that, it's done. Alright, we can basically just put the bumper back up in here. That it's already in.
Really?
Yeah.
You get a video of that?
So we're getting this issue right now where the throttle was at the VLEV.
Yeah, the TH.
Oh, the TH, bro. This thing will like go down, but then it will shoot up to like 100 something.
No, 300, which is like way over.
Yeah, I was like saying it's
possible.
But literally, Kyle just fucking tapped the throttle body, the little black shit right there, and it fucking just turned on. This whole time we've been trying to start the car, and now it.
Can it move or what? Tires on a flat.
We don't want to risk it.
We'd have to switch tires.
No, we'd have to switch the throttle body, bro. I would not want to go out for a drive and it just dies somewhere.
No, not just like that, just to see if it goes. You know?
I'm gonna have to get bro, I'm just gonna have to get that throttle. Go to the back so you hear it more.
Oh yeah.
throttle body.
Yeah.
So now
Now it won't start it off.
So what happens if you tap it again? Will it do it?
Wait, give it a sec. Let it chill for a sec, because it went right back down again.
Alright, it's an accessory right now.
Alright, wait. Nah, jump back up to 327 again.
So it's brought it to throttle body.
Do that and just post this one up.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, bro. Put it up for $100 and at least get $100 back. Currently, we are door dashing. So we gotta, I don't know. Kind of grinding right now, trying to get the 3.7 little intake. So I texted the dude on Facebook Marketplace, and he said he was coming back into town tomorrow. So I texted him to see if I could get his number. I haven't got an answer back. I'm hoping he's just busy. You know, I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. That's all I'm just saying. But anyways, what's it called? I'm just grinding right now. Sorry, a DoorDash came in. As I was saying, it's $140 for an intake, and you know, I really don't have the money for that right now, so I'm just grinding, and you know, I'm probably gonna be able to get the intake probably tomorrow. We'll see. This is basically 24 hours of driving my TL, my M3. Speaking of an M3, I just ordered a DoorDash. This is my M3, right? My M3 right there, and then there's another M3. Yo, I want to just, I feel bad like walking in this guy's like driveway. Like if he sees like my stick, he probably knows like, oh, he likes that shit. Oh my god. Yo, he's got the. Yo, hold on, I gotta get closer. I'm sorry. Yo, I might get shot right now. I'm on this dude's property, but yo, I just oh no, he's got the Valtron. Oh my god, he's got the Valtron exhaust on it. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy one of these days. I feel so bad. I'm like right in front of this dude's door. He's gonna kill me. Oh my god, this thing's beautiful. I'm literally gonna get shot, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, this thing's beautiful. Oh my fucking god, the carbon fiber on the grill. Yo, he's got carbon fiber all around. Oh my god. I'm gonna get one of these, you guys. I'm gonna get one one day. Oh, I mean, I already got one, you know what I mean? But like, you know, this is the rear-wheel drive one, you know what I mean? This is the rear-wheel drive M3, and then this is the front-wheel drive M3. They kind of look a little similar. Let me just stop BSing. Oh, this thing's insane. The M3 competition. I like this spec. This spec's beautiful. All right, let me get out of here and go pick up this DoorDash. Just picked up a DoorDash. I'm gonna eat real quick because I'm fucking starving. I've literally haven't eaten nothing. I literally just ate like a piece of bread they gave me. Your boy got free bread from the Cheesecake Factory. Don't play with me while I was door dashing. Bro, I was so hungry. Don't play with me. I was like, yo, I'll pay for some bread, please. I'm like starving. Shawty went to the back, got me some bread, and that's how we got this bread right here. She gave me butter too. Yo, she gangster with it. I can't even lie. She gave me butter. I'm like, when I tell you I'm starving, I am starving. I'm like trying to find a knife to open it up with. So I'm just gonna like a sandwich. Yeah, I'm gonna open it up like a sandwich. And I'm just gonna lather that butter on that hoe. Oh my God, hold on. It's hard to do it with 2 hands, but yeah, you guys kind of get it. I'm really hungry, and I wasn't gonna buy food like at McDonald's because McDonald's is expensive, and I'm really trying to get the 6-speed running. So, I mean, I basically gotta live poor for like a couple days. Literally just threw the butter in there. Oh my God, I'm gonna take a bite right now. Oh. Bro, this is good each. Yo, you guys, so you know how like I have that issue on my cart? Bro, this bitch fully snapped. Holy shit. Oh my God, I've never seen a frame snap. I literally just went over a speed bump and it snapped. That shit sucks. The only thing is, what's good is like the bumpers. I mean, everything's braced in, so like the car, nothing is really going anywhere. But he's gonna have to replace this. And I like how it's like, brother, my dad's like, he's like, oh, why are you selling the car for $1,000? Brother, if you knew the issues on this car, you would be like, okay, that makes 100%. That makes 100% sense on why you're getting rid of it for $100. I mean, for $1,000. Like, bro, look at it. Like, I literally put all my shit back onto this car. I made it back to stock. I put the old taillights back in. I put the old trunk on. I literally took out everything. And I'm gonna strip out the seats for him. So it's like, bruh, if you knew what I was giving him for $1,000, you'd be like, okay, yeah, that makes a lot more sense why you're selling the car for $1,000. But anyways, we are on our way. Gotta go see if I can go pick up another DoorDash in Boca. They brought me all the way out to, I think, West Palm. I'm not sure where they brought me all the way out to. I just know it's far. Basically, at the end of the video, I was planning on making the video honestly a lot longer, but the person that I texted on Facebook Marketplace for the J37 intake manifold, throttle body, answered me. So I'm gonna probably put it up on the screen. The guy answering me. So we're gonna basically go tomorrow and get it, which is basically today, because it's basically nighttime and it's like 4 a.m. But we're gonna basically get it today. I'm probably gonna post a video basically today, so you guys also have a video out today. I'm gonna probably put a counter of how many todays I've said. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go get the intake 3.7 throttle body, and honestly, it's gonna be a far drive. It's gonna be all the way in Miami, so me and Kyle are gonna be driving all the way there with the automatic TL. It's the only car we have right now running. So yeah, we're gonna go pick that bitch up, put it on the 3.7, and I'm hoping we can go for our first drive in the Acura TL. I'm probably gonna have Kyle drive it to the gas station, just to go over to the gas station where the car's at, just so we can get it at least running, and then, he could probably take me somewhere and we could learn driving the car, or I could learn driving the car, because this is basically my first 6-speed. So this is all gonna be an experience. You guys are along for the journey, and I can't wait for more content with this vehicle. So yeah, basically I'm gonna go upstairs, gonna edit this video, and I'm gonna try getting it out to you guys basically tomorrow or tonight or in the morning. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful night. Peace out, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you saw in the video. I mean, I didn't really post anything too crazy, but yeah, hope you guys liked it, and peace out. And remember, God loves you. And stay safe out there, you guys.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.